You see guys, so right now Kampong Plok and Tanlay Sap water very clean and beautiful. Yeah, because now in Cambodian rainy season like that. You know, a lot of tourists he come to looking around here. Yeah, you see guys. But today I'm very lucky it's not have raining. Yesterday a lot of raining, but today lucky, very lucky, don't have raining. You see guys, very beautiful. So I don't see the snake yet. Also, and he asked me where crocodile, not crocodile here like and yeah, and restaurant boy have crocodile. It's nice. You see, beautiful. Also, you want go looking around like the small boat, just want to pay $5 and amazing. Yeah, have fun. I hear the boat everywhere. See guys, it's nice. It's not hot, very cold, like original aircon. Yeah. So when have a lot of water, right, like that, you know, and local people live here. It's not easy go to find fish because water high. Yeah, but when the water come down, like that, it's easy to find fish. But when the water high, not easy to find because a lot of water. Yeah, it's nice. I hope everyone will come to Cambodian one day, come to see in Kampong Plok and Tanlay Sap. Yeah, and Siem Reap and Cambodian. Also, yeah, and Siem Reap have a beautiful place about temple Angkor Wat. It's nice. A lot of temple. Do you want to see like 48 temple? It's nice. Wow. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for always looking my YouTube. So when you like my video, please don't forget go to subscribe and my YouTube Linda Travel Cambodian. Please, I really appreciate you for you subscribe and my YouTube. Thank you so much. Love you.